Today we are going to discuss about chapter 7 decimal fractions. Okay, you know the normal fractions, right? Any number which can be expressed as p by q, where p and q are integers. Okay, is a normal fraction. Okay, right? So here the condition is q should not be equal to 0. Okay, since the number becomes undefined, if q becomes 0, anything anything divided by 0 is nothing but infinite or undefined. That's why q shouldn't be 0. This is the definition of a normal fraction. Okay, then what is decimal fraction? When this normal fraction is expressed in as a decimal format number, then that is called decimal fraction. Or otherwise, simply if you have any number which has a decimal point, okay, that is a decimal fraction. Okay, this point is the decimal point. Fine, decimal point. Then what is the value of the number 5? We know the number system, right? We know the number system, and we know the values, the place value of the digits in a decimal number. Okay, let us go into it afterwards. Okay, now we are just defining what a decimal number is. Okay, let's take an example. In a marathon, that is a long distance running race, okay, people run officially around a distance of 42.195 kilometers. Okay, so this number 42.195 is a decimal number, right? There are 3 numbers after the decimal point. Okay, this number, how to get the place value of each digit? As we know this part. Okay, what about this part? This part, how we obtain 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 square, and so on, like that. If you traverse towards left from the decimal point, if you traverse towards right from the decimal point, then this should be 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. Okay, so 10 power 1 is 10. Okay, 10 power 0 is 1, and 10 power minus 1 is 0.1, and 10 power minus 2 is 0.01, 10 power, see here, 10 power minus 3 is 0.001. Okay, so the same thing is written here. So this is 1's place, we already know. This is 10's place. Okay, according to the place value, this is 10th place, this is called 10th place, this is called 100th place, and this is called 1000th place. Okay, so what is the place value of this digit? 0.1. Place value of this digit is 0.09. Okay, place value of this digit is 0.005. Okay, so according to the place value, you can say how many number of tens are there, ones are there, 0.1, 0.01, and 0.001. Okay, in 42.195, how many tens are there? 4 tens are there. How many ones are there? 2 ones are there. How many 0.1s are there? 1. This is 0.01. How many 0.01s? Or how many hundredths? 9. How many thousandths? 5. Okay, in multiplying 1 by 10 and dividing 1 by 10, we have the following numbers. For suppose, if we start from 1, Okay, when you multiply 10 with 1, you will get 10. If you multiply 10 with 10, you will get 100. Okay, if you go in the other direction, if you divide 100 with 10, you will get 10. So if you divide 10 by 10, you will get 1. Okay, so leftward direction, that is blue mark, you can see the blue arrow mark. Okay, this is into, if you traverse right towards right, then this is divided by 10. Okay, so 1 by 10 is 0.1, or 0.1 by 10 is 0.01, 0.01 by 10 0.001, or otherwise 0.001 into 10 is nothing but 0.01. Okay, 0.001 into 10 is 0.1. So when you are multiplying each digit, multiplying each number with 10, the decimal point is shifting towards left. Okay, the decimal point is shifting towards right. Okay, and when you divide a number with 10, the decimal point is shifting towards, let's say, when you are dividing 100 or 100.0 by 10, you will get what? 10.00 or 10.0. The zeros after the decimal point, they have no value, no significance. Okay, so you can write it for the illustration purpose. Okay, so 100 by 10 is 10. So the decimal point is shifted towards left. Okay, so when you multiply a number with 10, the decimal point shifts towards right by a digit. Okay, a single digit. And when you divide a number with 10, the decimal point shifts towards right by a digit. Okay, only one digit if you divide it by 10. If you divide it by 100, that is 10 into 10, by 2 digits, 100.0 becomes 1.0. Okay, fair enough. Let's see how many 0.1s make 2.1. Okay, what is the question statement here? 2.1 by 0.1, right? If you want to know how many 0.1s in 2.1, you have to divide 2.1 by 0.1. How much it is? Just multiply with 10 on both numerator and denominator. 2.1 into 10 is 21. As we already know, the decimal point shifts towards right by a digit, and 0.1 into 10 is 1, so 21. So the answer is 21. How many 0.01s make 0.19? Similarly, 0.19 by 0.01. Now multiply it with 100. This will shift by 2 digits this time. Okay, because 2 zeros are there, and here also 2 digits. This becomes 19. So the shifting is according to the number of zeros. Okay, if the number of zeros are 2, the shift is by 2 digits. If the number of zeros are 3, the shift is by 3 digits. And the next example is 3 digits only. Okay, now just multiply it with 1000 on both numerator and denominator. This becomes 195 and this is 1. So 195 is the answer. Okay, so how many 0.001s are there in 42.195? This time, see, the number of decimal points are 3, right? So this is 42.195. We need not to multiply every time. Once we get to know what happens when 2.1 divided by, say, when a number 2.1 is divided by a number 0.1, this becomes into 10. Okay, by 0.01 into 100, 0.001 into 1000. So here the case is 0.001, that becomes into 1000. So the decimal point shifts by 3 digits towards the right. So this is the answer. Okay. Multiplication by integers. Okay. There are 4 packets of milk and each packet contains 0.2 liters of milk. How many liters of milk will there be if we put them together? Okay, there are 4 packets. One packet has 0.26 liters in it. Okay, there are total 4, so into 4. This is the mathematical sentence. Okay, so 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, if you add them up, how much you will get? You will get 0.8 liter. So 0.2 into 4 is nothing but 0.8. Okay, so how to make it with the multiplication thing, not by addition. Okay, addition is simpler for us, right? 0.2 can be written as 2 units of 0.1. okay, this strategy we can use, right? So 0.2 into 4 is nothing but 2 into 4 units of 0.1. 2 into 4 is 8 units of 0.1. So 8 into 0.1 is 0.8. So 0.8 liters is the answer. Fair enough? Yes. So another way of looking at it is, simply multiply it with 2 into 4. Answer is 8. What is the decimal point here? 1 digit after the decimal point in the question. So answer must also have 1 digit after the decimal point. Okay. So similarly, if we proceed with the latter method, 0.3 into 7. 3 into 7 is simply 21. 1 digit after the decimal point. So this becomes 2.1. Okay. If you don't understand or don't like this method, you can obviously go with this method. 0.3 is 3 units of 0.1. So 0.3 into 7 is 3 into 7 units of 0.1. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 0.1 is 2.1. Okay. So the simpler method is 40. 8 into 5 40. 1 digit after the decimal point. So 4.0 is nothing but 4. Okay. Or otherwise this is 5 units of 0.1. 5 into 80 units of 0.1. That is 40 into 0.1. Nothing but 4.0 or 4. Okay. So I am directly writing the answer here. This is 0.6, 5.4, 2.0 or 2. This is 4. Okay. You can verify by the longer method if you want. Okay. There are 5 cups and each cup weighs 0.3 kg. How many kilograms do these 5 cups weigh? Okay. Mathematical statement is nothing but 5 into 0.3. 3 into 5 is 15. So this becomes 1.5 kg. That is the answer. Okay. Explain the multiplication. What is the problem here? The decimal places. Okay, there are 2 decimal places. That's it. So there is no wonder. If you proceed with the previous method also, you will get the answer. No problem. 4 into 3 is 12. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So this becomes 0.12. So this can also be described in this method. The longer method, 3 units of 0.01. 3 into 4 units of 0.01. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 0.01. Nothing but 0.12. Okay. So what about here? 30, 0.30 or 0.3. Okay. So any trailing 0, this is trailing 0, has no value. Okay. Any trailing 0 has no value if the if this place is an integer. Okay. If the number is other than 0 here, for suppose, okay, keep the answer here. For suppose there is a number 4.56. If you keep 0 here, it has no value. You must have known already. This is 10 power 0, this is 10 power 1, right? 10 power 1 into 0, this becomes 0. So it has no value in the decimal system. That's why you can omit all the leading zeros, leading zeros, and also the trailing zeros in a decimal number. Okay, trailing zeros. You must remember, I am talking about decimal number, not an integer. Okay, so this is trailing zero in a decimal number, so you can omit. This is a leading zero, this also you can omit. If there is a zero here, 0.2, sometimes people also write it as 0.2. okay, both are same, but this is the usual notation. Okay, we'll do the multiplication here. 0.06, this is 0.12, 0.1, 0.4. okay, you can cross check. What about here? 28, so 0.028. okay, the number of decimal points here are 3. The number of decimal places are 3. So this is 4 units of 0.001, 4 into 7 units of 0.001, or otherwise 28 units of 0.001, nothing but 0.028. okay, do the multiplication part. 006, 072, 03, 030 or 03, because the trailing zero has no value. There are 7 packets of milk and each packet contains 0.08 liters of milk. How many liters of milk are there? 7 into 0.08, nothing but 0.56 liters. A motorcycle runs 0.02 km per second. How many kilometers will it run in 8 seconds? Okay, in 1 second it will go 0.02. In 8 seconds into 8. How much it will be? 0.16 km. Okay, explain the multiplication. 2.13 into 6. This is our usual method. 213 into 6. Okay, 6 3 is 18, 1, 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7, 6 2 is 12. There are 2 decimal points, so keep it here also. 2 decimal numbers, 2 digits after the decimal point, so answer also should contain 2 digits after the decimal point. 12.78 is the answer. The another way of getting the same answer is like this, our previous method. 213 units of 0.01, 213 into 6 units of 0.01, 213 into 6 we already know, 12.78 into 0.01. so just place the decimal point here just before the 2 digits, because you are multiplying with 0.01. okay, that's why the decimal point shifts towards the left by 2 digits, 2 decimal places, 2 digits. okay, the same thing is explained here. This is the method I usually refer. Okay, simpler method. Put a decimal point at the same place in the multiplicand. That is what he is suggesting. Okay, and that is what I told it in a different way. If there are 2 numbers after the decimal point in the question, in the answer also there should be 2 numbers after the decimal point, 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay, number and digits both are not same. These are individually called digits. 2 1 3 6, these are all digits. Okay, do multiplications vertically. This vertical multiplication, that is what I did, right? That you can perform with all these things. Okay, let me write the answer for 1 or 2. 7 4 is 28, 8 2, 7 3 is 21 plus 2 23, so 23.8. Okay. The last one also I will do. 8 5 is 44, 8 1 is 8 plus 4 12, 1, 8 2 is 16, 1 17, 1, 8 3 is 24, 1 25. So 25.72 only. Why? The leading 0 has no meaning. Okay, 25.72. Conduct the multiplications. 4.23, 4.3 into 23. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, usual multiplication only, but finally you have to incorporate the decimal point. Okay. Yeah, here the decimal after the decimal point the number is 0. So since the trailing zeros have no value, this is equal to 84. He is right. Okay, let me do it for 1 or 2. Which one? First one. 2.3 into 16. 6 3 is 18, 1. 6 2 is 12. 12 into 12 plus 1 13. 1 3 is 1 2 is 8 6 3. So 36.8. This is 36.8. What about last one? 5.25 into 24. 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8 10 1. 4 5 is 20 21. 2 5 is 10 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 5 is 10 0 0 6 2 1. 126 is the answer. Right. Multiplication by 10 and 100. Okay, when you multiply it with 10, what will happen? If you do the vertical multiplication, all are zeros. This is 2395. See here, there is one trailing 0, so this becomes 23.95. So the decimal point is moved by 1 digit towards the right. Okay, when you multiply it with 10. When you multiply it with 100, the decimal point shifts towards the right by 2 decimal places. Okay, or by 2 digits. So in general, when you multiply a number with 10 or 100, the decimal point moves to the right as many as the number of zeros. Okay, this is 10 power n. Okay, so if you multiply a number with 10 power n, the decimal point shifts towards right by n digits. Okay, since the number of zeros are n. Okay, so the shifting of decimal point depends upon the number of zeros. Okay, when you multiply it with 10, 100 or 1000. So 2.395 into 10 is 23.95. See, this is the shift. Again into 10 to 39.5. Okay, so when you multiply it with 100, this is the shift from here to here, 2 decimal places. So discuss in the classroom how the place of the decimal point changes when multiplying it with 1000. Same number, if you multiply again with 10, what happens to the decimal point? Decimal point comes here. Okay, this becomes 0.2395. so the answer is, see, by 1000, right? This is 100 into 10 is 1000. Okay, the whole thing is into 1000, so the answer is 2395. Okay. Multiplying by 10 and 100, multiplying by 10, this becomes 34.8. One decimal place only will shift. Into 100, 348. This is 0.8 into 10, 8 into 100, 80 into 10 0.92 into 100, 9.2. Okay. Multiply 4.209 by how many makes the following numbers? Oh, that is simple. 420.9 by 4.209. That is the first question. So see the number of digits after the decimal point. Here are 3. Here it is 1. So into 100 is the answer here. This is into 10. Okay. Okay, this is equal to 100 actually. So the answer is 100. This is 24.5, 63.21, 374.8, 90, 1370. Division by integers, we want to equally divide 0.6 liters of milk into 3 students. How many liters of milk each student have? Very good. What is the mathematical sentence? 0.6 by 3. Okay. What is 0.6 by 3? 3 by 6 is 2. One decimal. See, there is a number digit after only one digit after the decimal point. So here also it should be one digit after the decimal point. So this is 0.2 liters. Or otherwise, our long method 0.6 is 6 units of 0.1. So 0.6 by 3 is 6 by 3 units of 0.1. 6 by 3 is 2. So 2 into 0.1, 0.2. So that is the answer. Point 1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is 0.2. 0.6 by 3. Okay. 0.8 by 4. How much? 0.2. This is 0.5. Okay. This is 0.3, 0.2, 0.6, 0.8. 5 students want to divide 4.5 meters of tape equally among them. How many meters of tape each will have? 4.5 by 5. How much? 0.9. Now let's see when you have two decimal places. Okay, 0.16 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8. So since you have two decimal places, you must also have two decimal places in the answer. In the question you have two decimal places, right? So in the other way, 0.16 is 16 units of 0.01. So 0.16 by 2 is 16 by 2 units of 0.01. 16 by 2 is 8. So 8 units of 0.01 is 8 into 0.01. Nothing but 0.08. Okay. Anyway, you will get the same answer. Similarly, here 0.36 by 6 is 0.06. Okay. And directly I wrote the answer. this is 0.03, this is 0.07, this is 0.07, this is 0.06, this is 0.03, 0.09, 0.08, 0.04. okay. Now when you have 3 decimal places, directly when you divide, answer is 3. So since you have 3 decimal places in the question, answer also should have 3 decimal places. Otherwise you write this one as 9 units of 0.001. This is nothing but 9 by 3 units of 0.001. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 into 0.001, nothing but 0.003. Similarly, here it is 0.005. okay. Or otherwise, this is 35 units of 0.01. 35 by 7 units of 0.001. 35 by 7 is 5. 5 units of 0.001. Nothing but 0.005. okay. Let me write the answers quickly. Is it fair enough? Yes, it is fair enough. .007. That's it. There are 0.36 liters of oil. When we divide it equally into 7 cups, how many liters of oil will each cup contain? That is 0.63 by 7. That is 0.09 liter. Okay. We want to equally divide 2 liters of milk into 5 students. How many liters of milk each student have? What is the mathematical sentence? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 liters. What is 2 by 5? 0.4. okay. Or otherwise 20 units of 0.1. 20 by 5 units of 0.1. Nothing but 4 units of 0.1. 4 into 0.1 is 0.4. Nothing but 0.4 liters of milk. okay. So on a number scale, if you want to represent the situation, the total is 2. okay. This is 1, this is 0.5, and this is 1.5. so this one is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. okay. So this is 1, this is 2, right? Two by 5. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Total you have 20 units. 20 units of 0.1. So this must be at 4th unit. This is 0.4. okay. So that is where you will get your answer. Explain the divisions. 0.2 by 5 is nothing but 0.2 by 5. 4, right? 0.04 is the answer. okay. How I got the answer? See, 2 is smaller than 5, right? So that's why I divided 20 by 5. 20 by 5 is 4. okay. Already there is 1 decimal place. You must add 1 more decimal place because you took 20 rather than 2. Okay, or otherwise if you have a confusion with this method, go by this method. 0.2 is right, 2 units of 0.001, sorry, 20 units of 0.001, 20 by 5 units of 0.001, 20 by 5 is 4, 4 into 0.001, nothing but 0.04. Okay, what about this 0.005? Again this method again. What is this? Wait a minute. 40 units of 0.001, 40 by 8 units of 0.001, that is 5 into 0.001, 0.005. So 0.2 is 0.20 is 20 units of 0.01. 0.004 is 0.040 or 40 units of 0.001. He is correct. So what is 2 by 4? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. This is 0.6. This is 0.06. This is 0.05. 0.005. Is that correct? No. 0.05. What about this? 5. What about this? 8. What about this? 5. Right. Explain the division 7.2 by 3. Okay, 7.2 by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. 2.4. Okay, or otherwise this method is 72 units of 0.1. 72 by 3 units of 0.1. 72 by 3 is 24. So 24 into 0.1, 2.4. What about vertical division? If you follow the vertical division, see like this, 3 2 is 6, 1 will remain, 2 will come automatically down if you put a decimal point here, then 3 4 is 12. Okay. What about vertical division for this number 4.2? We will proceed in the same way, use like this only, because they like that kind of design. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 comes down, 4 minus 4 is 0, no problem. Then this 2 will come down when I put a decimal point, since there is a decimal point here. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, answer is 2.1. This is pretty straightforward then. Okay, we will go with the another example. 30.6 upon 6. 6 5 is 30. This is 0 now. Put a decimal point here. 6 will come down. Right? 6 1 is 6. Yeah, right. So this is 5.1. 5.1. Okay. Now you got to know how to do the vertical division. Discuss how to conduct division 4.92 by 6 vertically. Okay. Since 4 is smaller than 6, okay, you have to put 0 here, then the 0 will come. Okay, after the point you can bring down 9, so this becomes 49. 6 8 is 48, 1, 2 will come down automatically, 6 2 is 12. After the decimal point 0, the once you put the decimal point, the other number will come down automatically. Okay, every step you can bring only one number without putting a 0. Now discuss how to conduct the division. Okay, see here 0.329 is there. When you put 0 here, 3 can be brought down, but the problem is again 3 is less than 7. Okay, again put a 0. Okay, so you can bring 2 also, so it becomes 32. 7 4 is 28. 4 will come down, 9 will come down automatically. Okay, so 7 7 is 49. So this is the answer. Conduct the division 5 by 8 vertically. Okay, 0 is here, 5 will come down. Put a decimal point because 5 is less than 8. Okay, then 0 will come down. Okay, the trailing 0 which has no value, that will come down. 8 6 is 48, 2. Next again 0 will come down. 8 2 is 16, 4. Again 0 will come down. 8 5 is 40. You need not to write the zeros here, the trailing zeros. Anyway, you can bring those zeros after each step like I mentioned earlier. Okay, we have again access the 8. This is 8 and 9 left with. We are left with these two. We'll finish these two quickly. Okay, 2.24 by 7. Okay, 2.24 by 7, 0 point. Okay, put a 0 here. 22. Okay, 7 3 is 21. 1 will come down, 4 will come down, 7 2 is 14. So that is the answer. Okay, what is the answer? 0.32. Next is 4 upon 1, that is the last one. So we'll do the last one. 0 point because 1 is less. So since we kept a point here, you can bring 10. 4 2 is 8, 2. Again 0, 4 5 is 20. So answer is 0.25. Okay, what about here? 0.642 by 3. Let's do it in another sheet. 0.642 by 3, right? Okay, 0.642 by 3. Put a point here. 0 will come down, 6 will come down, 3 2 is 6. Again 0, 4 will come down, 3 1 is 3, 1 2 3 4 is 12. Okay, what about the next one? The next one is 3 8. Okay, we'll do 3 8 or 3 by 8. 8 3. Oh sorry, 3 by 8, right? 8 3. So 0 point. So 3 0 8 3 is 4, 24, 60, 8 7 is 56, 4 8 5 is 40. Let's move to 7.5. Okay, now before discussing about 7.5, okay, let me address some general topic. Okay, I want to address some general topic which may be related to or may not be related to the particular subject which I am dealing now, that is mathematics. Okay, I want to cover one general topic in each session. In the middle of the session, whoever does not like it, they can skip the 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes portion of this video. Okay, today's topic is the fear of mathematics. Okay, why people generally, not everyone, some people generally have this tendency, okay, to run away from a certain subject. And in our case it is mathematics, right, since we are discussing about mathematics, but it is applicable to any other subject as well. Okay, why this fear comes into being, what is the main reason behind this? That is very difficult to know actually, because it depends on the background, okay, and the interests of the particular person, okay, and the way the teachers behave and the parents behave, okay, and their classmates behave, okay. Their attitude towards the person also matters, okay, either in improvement, okay, or vice versa. So whatever may be the reason, okay, uh, I advise everyone not to skip any subject in your primary or secondary schooling, okay, because up to 10th standard I feel whatever the subjects they kept, they were there for a specific reason, okay. This is basic education, you must learn all the subjects, okay, whether it is whether you like them or you don't like them, okay. When you go to the advanced classes, there is this picking up, okay. You can choose certain subjects which you most like, but the basic education is there for a rightful reason. So I advise everyone not to skip any subject whether you like it or you don't like it. But when you got a fear, you must see why it came into your being, okay. Once you go to the root of the problem, then only you can solve the problem, okay. Once you understand why it happened to you, then only you can address, then only you can clear that problem, okay. When you start running away from the problem, you will never solve it, okay. When you skip or when you run away, you will never solve it in your entire life. So this usually because initially when a student um, finds it difficult to understand the subject matter at any particular point of time, okay, when the external factors also contribute to it, then he will slowly develop the fear, okay. Mostly the external factors are parents, teachers, and the fellow students, okay. What I advise is that you better run away from these naysayers rather than the subject, okay. These naysayers, whoever says you cannot do that, you better either keep them at a distance if possible, or otherwise live among them, live with them, but do not listen to them, okay. Whatever you listen frequently, that becomes your nature also, okay. When you keep on hearing good things, okay, then you will reciprocate it, okay. When you keep on listening this every time throughout the day, then you start believing that you are not good at that, okay. So that's why I'm saying again, you better keep these naysayers at a distance, okay. That is one solution. Second one, developing a positive attitude towards the subject which you most dislike, okay. How is it possible? Either use technology or YouTube or whatever it may be, whatever may be the means, okay. You start you start practicing the subject, okay, by allotting some time, either 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a day, okay. After 1 week or 2 weeks, you can keep on increasing this time duration, okay. that is the way you can eliminate, you can address it. Okay. And also whoever gives the a boost to you, okay, you better try to be with them. Whoever says yeah, you can understand this subject, or you can get better marks in that subject, or you can easily get away with it. Okay. So you better be with the persons who strongly encourages you towards the subject matter of interest. Okay, whatever may be the subject, whether it is English or science, whatever you dislike. If someone says yeah, you can easily pass in this exam, or you can easily score marks in this exam, or you can easily understand this subject, okay, you can easily grasp this subject, whoever says that, you better be with them. Okay, follow the guidance from the teacher and from the fellow students, or from the internet or YouTube, whatever it may be. Okay, the allotted time is up. Let's come back to the original discussion. Division by 2-digit numbers. Now we'll do the division with 2 digits. Okay, like 21. So 21 4 is 48, 84, 4 4 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 98 minus 84 is 14. Put a decimal point, 7 will come down. Okay, so 21 7 is 147, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Okay, so the answer is 4.1. Okay, this guy is also correct. No matter how many digits are there, we always calculate it like a integer. Okay, forget about the decimal point. First do the vertical division, and thereafter at the final result see the number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, now conduct 59.776 by 48. Will proceed in the same manner. Okay, there is absolutely no difference. Okay, let me take one thing, 59.8 by 23. Okay, so 59.8 by 23, 23 2 is 46, 9 minus 6 3, 5 minus 4 1. Since 13 is less than 23, you have to put a decimal point here. 8 will come down. 23 5 is 5 3 is 15 1, 5 2 is 10 1, right. 23 6 is 6 3 is 18 1, 6 2 is 12 13. Okay, then it is 6. What happened? Okay, 6 138. So the answer is 2.6 for the first one. Okay, initially we have to start with the decimal point. Why? Because 2 is less than 24. Again put 0 here. Okay, 216. Why? 21 is less than 24. 216. 4 is 4 4 is 16 1. 4 2 is 8 96. No, this is not 4. 7 7 4 is 28 2. 7 2 is 14 2 16. 7 is also not enough. What about 9? 9 3 is 36 3. 9 2 is 18 3. 2 1 6. So the answer is 0.09. 16.2 by 12. 12 1 is 12. 4 will come down. Put a decimal point here. 2 will come down. 12 12 2 is 24. 12 3 is 36. Okay, 3 here. 6 will come down. 12 5 is 60. Okay, 16 by 10. Okay, 10 1 is 10. 6 will come down. Put a decimal point like this. Okay, oh, 16 by 10 we already know this is 1.6, right? Oh, this is not 16 by 10, this is 10 by 16. Okay, no problem. Put 10 here, 16 here, 0 point. Why 0 point? Since 10 is less than what? 16. 16 5 is 80. 16 6 is 96. Okay, 16 2 is 32. 16 5 is I think 80. Yes, 80. Go up. Okay, divisions by 10 and 100. 24.3 by 10, 24.3 by 100. Okay, 2.43. Oh, is doing the division. 24.3 by 10. This we already know, 2.43, and this is 0.243. That you can cross check again with this method. So what happens when you divide it by 10? The decimal point shifts towards left by one digit. If it is by 10, again by 10, one more digit. Okay, so from here to here it is 100. When it is divided from here to here by 100, the decimal point shifts by 2 decimal places. Right. Discuss in the classroom how the place of decimal point changes when dividing 24.3 by 1000. Okay, now again one more 10. Now write 0. Write just 0 2 4 3. Keep 0 here. This decimal point shifts here. Okay, this is by 100 by 10, nothing but by 1000. So when 24.3 divided by 1000, this is the result. Okay, the decimal point shifts by 3 digits. Divide them by 10 and by 100. By 10 is nothing but 0.28, by 100 0.028, by 10 0.4, by 100 0.04, by 10 2.03, by 100 0.203. Dividing 36.4 by how many makes the following numbers? This is 36.4 by 100. This is 100 and this is 10. Do divisions. 2.45 by 10, 0.245, 0.63, 0.9, 0.087, 0.003, 0.24. Okay, we came to the exercise very quickly. Okay, I think this class is going to be more than 1 hour. Okay, but anyhow I want to keep everything whole chapter at one particular place. Okay, I am not convinced with doing part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on, because you people find it difficult to get all the parts. Okay, or to search all the parts. If you do not like this method, you can obviously comment it in the comment section. Okay, if you want part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, I have no objection. Okay, either you go with the time method or everything at one particular place, my method, your wish. Okay, so there is only, I think only there is only one exercise, but there are many. This is quite lengthy also. Okay, how many point ones make 3.5? This is 35, this is 104, this is 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'm not Reading the question also, straight away I am giving the answer. We know that there is a time constraint, right? That is the problem. Let me do it for only first and last. 22, 5 5 is 25, 7 2, 5 9 is 45, 7 4, 5 2 is 10, 14. So this is 14.770. This 0 got no meaning. 3.6 into 1.4. Like this we already did, right? Let me do the last one. 5 8 is 40, 5 2 is 10, 7 8 is 56, 7 2 is 14, 0 1 6 5 1. So 156. So 156 is the answer. 37.6, 62, 410.5, 890 is the answer. In a class of 75 students, teacher distributes 0.24 meters of tape to each student. How many meters of tape distributed? 0.24 into 75. Another way of doing it is 24 by 100 into 75. 25 4 ja 100, 25 3 ja 75, 4 1 ja 4 6 ja. This is 18. So answer is 18 meters. Okay, you can go with the decimal method also, no problem. You do the decimal multiplication, still you will get the same answer. One basket fruit weighs 2.565 kilograms. Find the weight of 12 baskets. 2.565 into 12. Okay, that is what is being asked. Then how to proceed? There are different ways again. 12 is can be written as 10 plus 2 into 10 is 25.65 into 2 is 2 5 is 0 1, 2 6 is 12 3 1, 2 5 is 10 1, 2 2 is 4 5, 5.03. Add them up. 30.68 kg is the answer. Okay. A packet contains 0.334 liters of milk. How many liters of milk will there be if you have 50 packets? Again 0.334 into 50. That is the mathematical statement for this question. How I can write it as 0.334 into 100 by 2. Why? 50 is 100 by 2. So this is 33.4 by 2. How much it is? 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 7 ja liters. Do divisions. This is 0.4. This is 0.08. How many times he will repeat? I don't understand. Same problems. This is 0.6. This is 0.005. I am almost exhausted by doing all the divisions, so I am leaving all these 4 to you. Villagers want to equally divide this many liters oil by 9 families. How many liters of oil each family get? This is the mathematical statement, right? Then how to proceed? 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 go by 9, so this will go by 9, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, so 27. Okay, 35 27, 8. Okay, 82, 9 9 is 81, 9 2 is 18. So 3.92 liters. There are 12 cups of same kind which weigh 14.4 kilograms. How many kilograms does each cup weigh? 41.4 by 12. How to proceed? Add them up first. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9. Yeah, this will go by 6. 6 2 is 12, 6 6 is 36, 6 9 is 54, 2 3 is 2 4 is 2 5 is 3.45 kg. Multiplication by decimals. There is a wire and its weight is 400 grams per meter. If it is 2.4 meters in length, then what is the weight of the wire? There is a wire and its weight 400 grams per meter. Nothing but 400 grams into 2.4. That is the mathematical statement. What is the answer then? Again, 2.4 can be written as 24 by 10. Okay, so 400 into 24 divided by 10. That is nothing but 40 into 24. How much? 960 grams. Okay, this is Meena's idea, writing to 2.4 as 24 by 10 or 1 by 10th of 24 meters. What is Raja's idea? 2.4 is nothing but 24 units of 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. So both ideas are almost same. Okay, so we will get the same answer. So use any idea to get 0.8 meters. Oh, like that. I don't use any idea to get 0.8. I use my own idea to get this answer. What is the answer? 32. 32, what is the unit? Meters. Meters? No, grams. Okay, is it 32? No, 320. Do multiplication. Do the last one. 25 4 is 100, so this is 10. This is 36. Okay, there is an iron bar and its weight is 2.3 kg per meter. How many kgs will it be if it is 1.4 meters in length? 2.3 into 1.4. Okay, how to proceed? Usual, 2.3 into 1.4. 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8 9, 3 2 2 2 3. How many decimal places? This got one decimal place, this got one more decimal place. 1 plus 1 is 2, so answer is 3.22. Okay, 3.22 kg. Okay, so you can follow the any method. Here I try to explain it in a more complex way. Okay, 0.2 into 0.16. See, this is 1 digit, this is two digits, right? 2 decimal places. So final answer should have 3 digits. Okay, or 3 decimal places. Similarly here also 1 2 2 plus 1 3. So this one should have 3 digits. Okay, do the multiplication vertically. Okay, we will do only one problem. Okay, 26 into 0.415 vertically. Yeah, so 0.415 into 26. 6 5 is 30, 6 1 is 6 plus 3 9, 6 4 is 24, 10 1 2 1 is 2 3, 2 4 8, 0 9 7 10, 1 2 3, 10.79. 0 has no value, right? Explain what mistake the following multiplication have made and then correct it. Like that. He is troubling us to 2 5 is 10, 4, 4 5 is 20, that is correct. 2 4 1 2 1 1, 2 decimal places. Yeah, this is the problem. 21.42. okay, 1 decimal place here, 1 decimal place here, 1 plus 1 is 2. okay, so 2 digits after the decimal point, 2 digits. There are 3 digits here, that is the error. 2 7 2 is 14. okay, 1 2 is 2 4 3.34. no, here 1 decimal place, here 2 digits, total 3 digits, right? So again error, there are only 2 digits in the answer. 60 18. 2 3 is 6, not 60. 186, I guess. Yes, this is 186. This is there is error. okay, this 0 is not there. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 will come here, so this is wrong. This is 186, 3 decimal places, so 0.186. okay, division by decimal number. Iron bars A and B have the same weight of 12 kg but are different in length as shown in the right. Find the weight per meter of each iron bar. 12 kg 3 meter. Weight per meter 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is how much? 4. 4 kg per meter. What about this? 12 kg by 2.4. Nothing but 124. 120 by 24. Nothing but 5. That is correct. 5 kg per meter. Weight per meter of iron bar A. We can find the weight per meter of iron bar A by division. 12 kg 3 meter. 4 kg per meter. Weight per meter of iron bar B. 12 by 2.4. That is the mathematical sentence. These ideas we already know. Okay, so we are not going into them. 3 by 15 by 1 by 10. 3 by 5. 15 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 10. 1 by 50. okay, how much it is? 0.02. 1 by 10. 18 by 12 is how much? 12 1s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So this is correct by 10. Nothing but 0.15. okay. Is that correct? 6 3s are 6 2s are, yeah, correct. This is 1 by 100. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 100. Oh, wait a minute. Why is it behaving oddly? Okay, here 1 by 5 is 0.2, so 0.2 by 100, 0.002. How we got 1 by 5 as 0.2? 1 by 5 multiply with 2, 2. Okay, 2 by 10. What is 2 by 10? 0.2. okay, another way of proving it. 2 by 125 divided by 1000. What is 2 by 125? Again we will go by this method only. 2 by 125. 125 is nothing but 5 cube actually. Even if you don't know the cubes and all, this is 5 into 5 into 5. 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. Now if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, this becomes 1000. So multiply it with the 8. So this becomes 16 divided by 1000. How much 16 by 1000? 0.16. Okay, when the denominator is either 5 or 2 or the combination of only 5 and 2. Okay, the multiplication combination of only 5 and 2, you can proceed with this method. Okay, so 2 by 125, finally we got 0.16. 0.16 by 1000 is 0.00016. Okay, that is the answer. Iron bar C is 0.8 meters in length, but its weight is 12 kg. Use either the Raja's or Meena's idea to calculate the weight per meter of iron bar C. We are not following others' methods, we will follow our own method. Okay, multiply it with 10 on both numerator and denominator. 120 by 8. 4 2 is 8. 4 30 is 120. 2 1 is 2. 2 15 is 30. So how much it is? 15 kg per meter. Okay, you can cross check it with 15 multiplying with 0.8. You must get 12. Yeah, you got 12. Do division 1. 7 by 1.4. 7 by 14 into 1 by 10. 7 1 is 7 2 is 0.05. Okay, this is 400 upon 2. It is 200. Conduct the following divisions. 0.06. Okay, 0.06. No, this is 0.6. In division, the quotient remains the same when multiplying both the dividend and the divisor by the same number. I have been using that. Okay, here he addressed it. Okay, 2.4 by 4 is 0.6. 24 by 40 is 0.6. 1.2 by 2 is 0.6. So what you must know here, when both numerator and denominator multiplied with the same number, okay, then the quotient remains the same. Okay, or when both dividend and the divisor multiplied with the same number. Okay, 1.2 by 2, sorry, 2.4 into 10 is 24. 4 into 10 is 40. Similarly, 2.4 by 2 is 1.2. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, calculate the following divisions by using the fact. 5.16 by 12 is 0.43. Simple. 51.6 by 120. Now divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. By 10 by 10. 5.16 by 12. This is 0.43. Okay, this is 0.516 by 1.2. Multiply it with 10, both numerator and denominator. You will get 5. No. Multiply it with 100. 5.16 by 120. Yes, you are right. So now 5.16 120 can be written as 12 into 10. So 5.16 by 12 is 0.43 divided by 10 is 0.043. Okay, what about this? 10.32 by 24. 10.32 by 24 divided by 2. 5 16 divided by 2 12. So nothing but 0.43. There is 1.6 liters of paint and it weighs 2.4 kg. Find the weight per liter of this paint. Simple mathematical statement is 2.4 by 1.6 multiplied with the same number. 10 on both numerator and denominator. 24 by 16. Okay, like this. 1.6 into 10. 24 by 16. 4 4 no 8 3 is 24, 8 2 is 16, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 is how much? 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg is already there. Now 4.65 by 1.5. She is telling the same thing. Okay, I already wrote it here. 4.65 or 15 or 1.5 or into 10 or into 10 or okay. Doing the division, this is the first step, this is the second step. Okay, multiplying with 100, that means making the divisor an integer. Okay, first make it integer, it will be easier for you to divide. That is what he is telling. How to calculate the divisions? 2 by 1.25, 2 by 1.25, 2 by 1.25. First multiply with 100 on both sides, you will get 200 by 125. Now it is easier. How it is easier? 25 5 is 25, 25 8 is 200. Okay, 8 by 5. Now multiply with 2 on both sides. Sorry, not on both sides, on both numerator and denominator. 16 by 10. What is the answer? 0.16. Okay, is that right? 2 by 1.25, we got 0.16, right? Now if you multiply 0.16 with 1.25, you must get 2. This is 16 by 100, this is 125 by 100. Okay, 25 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100, 4 4 is 16, 4 25 is 100, 5 1 is 5 5 is 25. So somewhere we got an issue. What is the issue? 200 125 25 8 is, yes, this is correct. 25 5 is, that is also correct. 8 2 is 16, 5. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. 1.6, 16 by 10, right? There it went wrong. Now everything seems all right. This is what? 7. This is what? 2. This is what? 5. What about this? 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5, 0.4. Now do the divisions vertically. Explain what mistakes the following divisions have made and then correct it. I will do only one problem. Yes, I am really tired. 1 3 is 15 3 is 45, 1 5, 15 1 is 15, right? Where is the decimal point, man? That is the mistake. 0.31 is the answer. 5 4 is 20. Okay, 5 4 is 20. Thereafter, no, I promised you only one. Not going to do this. Anyway, this is wrong. There is a rectangular shaped land whose area is 29.4 meters square when its width is 8.4 and the height is 29.4 by 8.4. Why? Area is width into height. How much it is? Multiply with 10 on both numerator and denominator. This becomes this. 4 21 4 6 24. No, 4 7 is 28. 28. No, it will not go by 4, it will only go by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 7 6 is 7 21 is 3 2 is 3 7 is, so answer is 3.5 meters. Exercise 7b. The good news is I am leaving every problem to you. Why? Because I don't find any hard problem here. Okay, let me solve 13. Okay, randomly choosing one number. A car has traveled 14.5 kilometers in 2.5 hours. How many kilometers did it travel in 1 hour? The same regular problem we have been getting. Multiply it with 10 on both numerator and denominator. 1145 divided by 25. Now multiply it with 4 on both numerator and denominator. 4 5 is 22, 4 4 is 16, 18, 1, 4 1 is 4 6, 4 1 is 4, 25 into 4 100. So 46.8 km is the answer. Okay, fair enough. That's it for today, guys. We'll meet in the next class with the another chapter 8. Okay, thank you.